For years, drone creators have faced an impossible choice. Do you fly an FPV drone, a sinew hook that gives you impossible speed and proximity, the jaw-dropping dives, the near misses, but limits your field of view? Or do you fly a 360 camera on a drone, giving you endless post-production reframing, but sacrificing agility and the pure FPV thrill? What if the choice was an illusion? What if the next device to come out of the DJI labs doesn't just offer an upgrade, but a fundamental fusion? I'm talking about the drone that is causing panic among competitors and electrifying the FPV community, the DJI Avata 360. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We have reached a critical moment in drone technology. The leaks are no longer whispers. They are a validated blueprint confirmed by FCC filings and industrial hardware images. This device is real, and it is the single most ambitious drone DJI has ever designed. It's not just an Avata upgrade, it's a completely new category of aerial vehicle. For the next 30 minutes, we are going to dissect the three pillars of the Avata 360 that will change how you think about aerial videography forever. The mechanical hybrid, the rotating camera that turns one drone into two distinct machines. The 8K spherical sensor, the image quality leap that makes your footage future-proof. The anti-gravity battery, the flight time and transmission breakthroughs that conquer range anxiety. Let's dive straight into the biggest secret, the mechanical hybrid. The Avata 360 is rumored to feature a physically rotating camera module. This is the key. It's not a software trick. It's not simply dual wide-angle cameras fixed in place. We're talking about a dual-lens 360 camera system built into the drone's frame that can physically rotate 90 degrees or more. Why does this matter? It means you have two drones in one. In 360 mode, the camera is oriented to capture everything, a full spherical 360-degree view. You fly wild, you get the shot, and you decide which angle to use later in post. This is the ultimate tool for VR, travel vlogging, and complex reframing. But the moment you need that classic, low-latency, aggressive FPV mode, the module physically rotates, giving you a traditional forward-facing FPV camera feed. This is the first time a DJI drone has natively delivered both high-speed FPV agility and full 360 capture in one package, eliminating the need to strap a massive action camera to your sinew hook. This is not evolution, it's a mutation. Now, let's talk about the data flowing through this mechanical marvel, the 8K spherical sensor. The leaks point to dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors. That size is a huge leap in image quality for the FPV world. When stitched together, these sensors are rumored to deliver stunning 8K 360-degree video at 50 frames per second. Think about that. 8K. This isn't just a spec sheet boast. It means that when you reframe your 360 footage into a flat, cinematic 4K video, the quality will be pristine. It means you can digitally zoom, stabilize, and recrop without losing detail. The dynamic range is expected to be massively improved, helping you capture those tricky shots diving from bright sunlight into deep shadows. And for the FPV purist, the standard forward-facing mode is rumored